Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your aura frame keeps going black while displaying photos, it can be frustrating because the screen may suddenly turn dark even though the frame still has power. Sometimes the display comes back on its own, while in other cases the aura frame stays black until restarted. This issue can happen because of display sleep settings, internet connection interruptions, power supply problems, or temporary software glitches inside the frame. Since an aura frame depends on both stable power and syncing to display photos smoothly, even a small interruption can affect the screen. The big thing is that in many situations, the problem is temporary and can be fixed with a few simple checks before thinking something is seriously wrong. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an aura frame that keeps going black. Try these. Step 1. Check the power connection of the aura frame and make sure the aura frame is plugged in securely. Step 2. Restart the aura frame by unplugging the aura frame for a short time and reconnecting power. Step 3. Confirm the aura frame is connected to Wi-Fi because the aura frame may need a stable connection to display photos properly. Step 4. Review the display and sleep settings inside the aura frame app for the aura frame screen behavior. Step 5. Clean around the aura frame sensor area if the aura frame uses automatic brightness or sleep detection. Step 6. Test the aura frame again and confirm the aura frame screen stays on normally without going black.